boy. Where are you? Puppies! Poopers! What are they messing with over there?
She needs to return.
Oh, they're fighting on the rope?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Hold on.
Orange, don't you love me?
Oh, I can't even move because I got puppies on my feet.
Maybe
Oh!
do that one. don't do that, okay? Sure, fiddle.
There's a rope on the ground over there, and all of them were playing tug of war.
Oh. You okay, baby? You okay? You okay?
Green's got the rope. This one. Look at this one. She's a ferocious girl. I can't get her. Where is she at? Ferocious little girl. Oh my goodness. Hi. This is light blue. Green over there is a sweetheart. They're all sweethearts. Some are definitely bigger than others. Oh, she just ran into my foot. That one's over there fighting with my coffee cup.
Oh.
Who is that?
That's blue or black.
Black.
Yeah.
Black is the smallest. Pink is the second biggest. Oh my goodness.
Get him. She's so ferocious. It's funny.
You are a little pooper. Our last group were called stinkers. These we call poopers. Just because they're always stinky. They're always stinky. No, they're not really that stinky. They smell like puppies. Puppy breath. Beige? No, that's brown. Oh, shoot. It's so hard. You guys, there's 12 of them. It's hard to keep up with all of them. I don't know where. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, there's 12. Green! Green that was playing with the rope.
The way he just
Come here. Green is, I know. Green is so cute. This is Orange. Orange is a sweetheart. She's a good girl.
Orange is the best.
Orange is the best according to Alexia.
Come here. You're so cute.
Orange is Orange is her puppy. She loves Orange.
Did you just bonk your head into my leg?
Oh, now they're all gonna chase you. Poop poop poopers. Hi. We call him Teal. He's really like light blue.
There she goes.
There she is. Pooper. Pooper. She's a big girl. She is super big. This guy is the biggest guy, we think. Oh, hey.
This is definitely the biggest guy.
The biggest guy.
Yeah.
Beige is a big boy too.
Not really. He's small.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. And then Green, I think, is just one of the cutest. He's cute.
He's a monster.
I don't think he's a monster. I think he's a sweetheart.
Get crowded. I want one of those. Design, where'd you find that? No.
In the freezer?
Which one?
I don't know. I think it's inside. You better run. They're still coming. And so is Mr. Popeye. Poopers! Oh my word. They're all here. Oh, someone just got their butt whooped by a rooster. A newbie rooster. Oh. He says, "Stop that. Stop that. Dog trying to get my attention." Oh my goodness. Popeye.
Oh, that's cute.
Now stop and pet him. There you go. I saw that. Pick it up. Come here, Popeye. Oh, aw, she's being nice this time. Look, she says, "I'll let you nurse from me."
Hi, lady.
Hi, sweet pea. Come here. Come here.
Good dog.
You being a good girl, Ladybug.
Look at Yellow.
You being a good girl, Ladybug. Oh,
Yeah.
she was just out here playing with them. It was so funny.
Which puppy do you think is the smartest?
All of them. They're all. He is the smartest puppy. Aren't you?
Oh, he's a cute dog.
He's the cutest puppy. Look at that little tail. Tinka 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 tinka.
He's not the cutest puppy, they are.
I know
By the way,
that.
peeing.
Oh, is that why he's standing so still? Oh. Pinkie Pie. Oh, I missed her. She's like, nope, I'm going to get me a snack. Oh, look. He might go for a snack, too. This is going to be interesting.
Snack break.
Snack break.
For all of us.
Except for me.
And that little dude.
Moms don't get snacks. That guy just takes the bottle. Zion looks like he's sucking from a bottle. Uh-oh. Rooster is going to come and get him.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure that's a rooster.
Who?
That white chick right there. He acts like a rooster.
I think he is too. Yeah, he has that, like, tail.
Is Popeye going to play with the puppy?
He's wagging his tail.
I know. He looks all excited. Uh-oh. That's one you don't want to square up against there.
He's a feisty little guy.
This little one? Yeah. Well, he's with all of them all the time. He sleeps with them. This white chicken or rooster, whatever it is, he has been sleeping with the babies since they were born. Since he was born, really, because he lost his mom pretty quickly on. So since he was very, very little, he has been... oh, she says, get off my baby.
All of a sudden, they just kind of...
Came back to life again? Yeah. They're not. He's not messing with your baby no more. Oh, Popeye's playing with the puppies. Look at her. Look at her little eyes.
Who?
Orange.
I know. She looks so innocent.
Yeah.
You running from them.
Hi, cutie pie. Hi, cutie
so many
pie.
emotions.
Does she now?
I mean, they all do, but
Here we go, right there.
she's extra expressive. Black is. Yeah.
Black is over there. Those things are so funny. You know, the peacocks are really funny because right before they start, doing their call, they honk. They make this really, unless that's the female and then the male's making
that
noise.
must be the female because
Maybe she's the one that's honking, but it is so weird. What do I have on me?
I know.
Grass.
I have grass on me.
Oh, it's Daddy. Daddy's coming back. Boy, I sure look red. I'm not red. I think it's the reflection of the shirt. But this little guy's super sweet. He's a good boy. And he's going to get used to the puppies and all these dogs. And by the time he gets used to them, they're going to be off to their new homes.
Don't say that.
He thought he was on video.
Hi. I'm going to help you. Oh, purple's pretty sweet.
She's cute.
Hi.
She's a cutie patootie. She just has those, like,
Very
they all have the same eyes.
No.
Get him, lady. Watch him, lady. Watch him, lady. Get him. Get him, girl. Say, nope, this is our club. You're not welcome to our club.
You have to T-pose. Attack. Dad like this. Dad like this, not like this.
I know how to do it.
No, not like that.
Why are your hands
like
up?
Because that's how they listen to me.
this. No, I don't. They don't even like...
Those are listening very well.
Uh-huh.
Hey, come on. Hello.
You have to say, Poopers!
They ain't doing nothing.
Poopers! Here's my babies. That's how you gotta call him. My baby, what are you doing? You are stuck. What you got? What you got over there? Look at that rope you got. All of them were over there playing tug of war on that rope. It was so funny. They love the rope. Olive!
Why do you
It's Olive!
It's a Royal Rumble.
Yay, it's Olive!
It's a Rumble.
Olive says, I have
got
to
them
go
all in
pee.
there.
Oh no, that one's gonna get peed on the head. Oh no. Look what I'm getting today. New lights. Gonna have to, is that one up all the way? I see there's a gap on the top
I
there.
gotta probably adjust them.
Okay. But anyways, these are some really old lights, like 1970s, most likely. So the can's already up there. The lights that we purchased, I'll show you the box in just a minute, but these are pretty cool lights.
So it's retrofit.
Retrofit.
See, it just goes into your socket.
That's cool.
That's why I got it. No, I don't have to change a can or not in that junk.
Okay. So from 1970s to the 2024,
To the future.
it still has the same fitting, which is phenomenal.
Phenomena.
Bum, ba-da-dum.
Phenomena.
Bum, ba-dum, bum. All right, cool. These are 6-inch can lights that we're putting in over here, and
It's
then
5 or 6.
5 or 6 inch.
That's what it is.
Cool. And just like that, we're gonna have to do some touch-up paint. Oh, well, maybe you shouldn't fit it perfect right now. Maybe we should let them hang and then I'll touch up some paint. That way I don't get paint around it. Yes, no? Uh-oh. Why is it not working? Oh, there we go. So, 2 down, 1 to go. So I wanted to tell you something that's really cool about these lights is, this is called an HD light. But the cool thing is you can decide whether you want
I'll show them.
a relax or a refresh LED light. Meaning you could either do a daylight or a soft light just by changing.
Basically the white or the yellowish light.
Right, so you could have like the bright light that you just saw, or you can have like that yellowy, orangey kind of light if you choose to have more of like a dimmer, relaxing kind of color. Personally, I like bright light. When I turn a light on in the house, I'm not putting it on to just have a dimming light. I like my light to be nice and bright. I want to see. Now this is a dimming light, so if I do want the bright light less like vibrant, I can dim that color. Was there just like a little clip or something in there to release it?
Yep.
Are your arms burning, babe?
No, not this one. Not yet.
He's been working out. Yesterday, he was working on these lights. Obviously, we still have something to do, but he was burning and complaining. No, I'm proud of him. He's exercising for the first time in like
3 years?
3 years, 4 years.
4 years? Wow. So I'll show them in a minute how to turn the light. I don't have names.
Y'all, stop checking out my man's guns. He's gonna blush. Alright, So, you can't see it right now. It has one of these knobs on it. We might switch it out. I don't know. We'll see. But for right now, it's, you push in. See, right now, here, let me step back for a second so you guys can see it better. You see how this light is the more orangey light? That's called the relax light. This is the refresh or the bright. And all you do is you turn. What did you do? Oh, okay. So you just twist that and it changes the color of the light. Very cool. So let's say you're using it like this for a while and all of a sudden you decide, you know what, I'm tired of these bright lights. Let's make it dim in here. We've got enough bright lights all over the house. You could just easily get on a ladder or a chair and switch it. What did you want me to do? Off. And then in a second, once he gets that up there, I will show you what it looks like dimmed. And again, you just have to push those clamps in and stick it up in there. But he's going to have to adjust it a little bit because for some reason it's popping off a little bit on all of them.
There's the holes. I think the diameter of that cut is bigger.
Can't be because the other one was a...
I mean, it can't be. Is it?
Can't. It's not.
Okay. You see? I know what I'm looking at.
I see what I'm looking at.
Either way.
Either way, we're going to have to adjust them. So, yeah, you see how big of a gap that is right there? We're going to have to do some adjusting. For sure. Nothing in this house goes right, I swear. Everything we do to try to fix something, there's something else we have to do. So, light on. And then, he thought that was him. That was me. So, let's see. That's dimmed. And that's super bright. Dimmed. Yeah, that's good. I like that. Very nice.
Now you can just hit the button.
They're gonna look good once they're completely up there. But gotta keep an eye on this guy. He's sitting at the door. I'm surprised Olive isn't over here. He did tinkles in the house, so he had to go outside. I don't know where Olive is. They were over here playing on the stairs. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Hope you enjoyed this and you learned something new about installing some can lights. What are they called? Retrofit can lights. And super easy. You just might have to do some adjustments down the road depending on the size of the hole that's there and how old your house is and how the cut was made and stuff like that. But nothing is irreplaceable or non-fixable. Everything can be fixed. So that's that. Until next time, you guys be blessed. We'll see you then. Bye, guys.